We're graduating! Isn't it exciting?
Yes, we made it! But I don't really know what I want to do next.
Did you know you can talk to the education and career coaches in SP? Based on your personal needs and interests, they can help you make informed decisions and guide you on your next steps. These consultations are available for up to 3 years, so it's great for those enlisting in NS too. No matter which path you decide on, there are many career and further education webinars, talks, and workshops lined up for you to gain more insights and be well prepared.
What if I end up regretting my choices?
It's never too late for change. If you ever feel stuck in the future, the PACE Academy in SP supports reskilling and upscaling. They offer many programs and you might just discover a new passion there. For fresh graduates, they also have the work-study program, which lets us further our learning while gaining work experience.
I don't know if I can count on myself to keep exploring for new opportunities.
Honestly, me too. But I recently found out that the alumni workshops and networking sessions are great for that. You should follow SPAN Alumni on social media for updates on upcoming events and even career or lifestyle tips. Best yet, stay connected by updating your particulars on the student or alumni portals and get your free alumni e-card on the SP mobile app for special perks. Venturing our next steps can feel exciting and daunting at the same time. But remember, SP is always here to journey with us, whenever.